All right, thank you for pressing play on this video. I'm going to walk you through, I'm actually going to show you how to do an 8x8 coloring book page, but then I'm going to give you the template too. So I'm in Canva. You can see here all my YouTube thumbnails come from here. Anytime that I launch a new course, I'm typically building it in Canva. I just started a new course, KDP in color, where we talk about all the things that you need for a color book. As a marketing person, I teach people how to get paid for leads. So I've got a lot of different stuff in here. Okay. So we're going to go actually to a custom size, and we're going to go into units, and we're going to do 8x8. Oops. And 8x8. Okay. And we're going to hit create new design. Now inside of here, I go to file and I go to settings, and I like to show the ruler and the margins and the bleed. Okay. So I know to create within this space. Okay. So you can decide if you want to go all the way to the bleed line or not. And you can decide what type of book you want to do. Now, the bleed makes coloring books really fun. And when you do it 8.5 by 11, a lot of people will do like a square or rectangle for their coloring page. And I do feel a little bit like 8.5. If you do this, it becomes kind of 7 or 6. And so you're losing a lot of space. So just think about that when you are adding elements in there. Let's just go to this, and we're going to go down to free to make sure that everything in here is free. And we're going to go to graphic, and I'm going to type in black and white. Okay, and let's do this. Okay, so when you have lines, you will keep them in the lines, right? And you want to go right to the edge for coloring pages. I think that makes it really fun. And I would then build out this entire book. Okay, so to have 8x8, I'm going to pull this out and show you with the grid view that you can do Control A to duplicate, to copy everything, and you can do Control D. Okay. And so as you're doing a coloring book, you'll think about that experience for the customer. Left leaf, right? Left side, right side, left side, right side. So if you wanted to do stories that worked within themselves, you would do this. Okay. Let me just copy this one more time, and I'll leave that page for you to decide what you want to do with it. Okay, so the trend for 8.5 by 8.5 is literally like 70 to 80 pages. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there. Well, actually, let's just go up to 70. Okay, it's so fun when you can just duplicate. Okay, so we'll make it just one more. Okay, so, and honestly, my opinion, remember in previous videos I've talked about the page break, that it doesn't go up in price until you do a certain amount of pages. Keep that in mind for this, because just because someone else is doing 70 pages and only 40 images doesn't mean you have to follow that exactly. Okay, coloring book template. Okay, and I'll drop this below for you, and let me know what you create. Let me know how I can help you and serve you on your self-publishing journey. Love you guys. Like and subscribe for more videos and tutorials, Canva tutorials. See you in the next video.